everyone. Let us learn how to compare fractions. Now, comparison of fraction is done in three ways. The first way, for example, there are two children, Arav and Arna. They both are asked to draw rectangles of same length and breadth. And then they're asked to color these rectangles. Now, here we know that Arav colors 2/4 of the rectangle and Arna colors 3/4 of the rectangle. Now, who colors more? Here, it is very important to know that the denominator over here is same. If denominators are same, then we will simply look at the numerators and compare. Here, the number 3 is bigger than number 2. Hence, this fraction is bigger. 3/4 is bigger than 2/4. Therefore, what do we infer? That Arna colors more part of the rectangle than Arav. Now, with this, now let's look at the second type. Again, here, Arav and Arna, they're asked to color circles. They're asked to draw circles and color some part of the circle. Clearly, Arav colors 1/4 of the circle and Arna colors 1/5, 1/6 of the circle. Now we have to decide that who colors more. Let's note over here that the numerator of both the fractions is same. Hence, in this case, we will look at the denominator and compare. So, whenever the numerators are same, in that case, the denominator, which is smaller, has the fraction which is bigger. So, 1/4 is greater than 1/6. Thus, this means that Arav colors more part of the circle than that of Arna. Now, let's look at the third type. In this type, both Arav and Arna are asked to draw squares of the same length and breadth, same dimension. Now, clearly, Arav colors 3/4 of the square and Arna colors 2/9 of the square. Over here, neither the numerators are same or the denominators are same. So what can we do? How do we find that who colors more? Over here, we find the LCM of the denominator. So denominator in the first one is 4 fraction and the second fraction is 9. So what is the LCM of 4 and 9? It is 4 times 9, which is 36. Now we convert both the fractions to denominator 36. How do we convert 4 to 36? We multiply it by 9. So the numerator over here becomes 3 9s are 27. Hence the equivalent fraction to 3/4 with denominator 36 is 2/7. Similarly, 2/9, we need an equivalent fraction with denominator 36. What do? We multiply by 4. So this fraction becomes 8/36. Now, simply the first type. We know that since the denominators are same over here 36, we can only compare the numerator. The numerator in the first fraction is 27 and the numerator in the second fraction is 8. Which is bigger? 27 as a numerator is bigger. Hence, this means that the fraction equivalent to 27/36, which is 3/4, is greater than 2/9. So, whenever we have fractions where numerators and denominators are different, we can't compare them directly by looking at them. In that case, we either cross multiply or we find the LCM and then look for the equivalent fraction. Now, let's revise or do a recap of what we have learned. First, fractions with same denominator. When we have fractions with same denominator, then we just look at the numerator, and the numerator which is bigger is the fraction which is bigger. Secondly, When we have same numerator, then we just look at the denominator, and the denominator which is lesser is basically means that the fraction with the denominator which is less is bigger. In the third part, fraction with different numerator and denominator, here we use cross multiplication method, or we find LCM to tell that which fraction is bigger or larger. I hope the concept of comparison of fraction is clear by this video. Stay tuned for more such videos to learn more about fractions. Thank you.